Hello students, welcome to my class. So today I'm going to discuss the topic resonance and formal charge. Clear? Now we know when a single structure is not sufficient to define all the properties of a molecule, then we have more than one type of structure, and these structures are called resonating structure. For example, if I take C6H6, we know the resonating structure of benzene can be 1, 2, 3. Then the second one is like this, 1, then here and here. And when we combine them, we have that is, this is the resonating structure. Clear? So these are called resonating structure. So benzene has two resonating structure, and this is called what? Resonance hybrid. Clear? Similarly, if I write CO3 2 minus, we know double bond may come here like this, O minus. You can say, sir, double bond can come on this oxygen. Yes, you write like this, O minus, double bond O, and here is O minus. Now again, it can be written like this, that is O, double bond come here, minus, and here is O minus. Overall, we will say that is, pardon, so the structure is can be written like this, that is C, O, O, and O, like this, like this, like this. Means double bond can move between these oxygens. Clear? Like this. Clear? So these are the resonating structures. Clear? Now this is called resonance hybrid, this is called resonance hybrid. Now the question arises is how to find the bond order of this resonating structure. Clear? For example, they ask find out the bond order of CO3 minus. What is bond order? Bond between the two atoms. Now the main is how to find the bond order of the resonating structure. So in this case, what will you do? देखो क्या करते हैं इस चीज को समझो. Consider any two carbon and oxygen. This first time it has double bond, two bond. Clear? Second time this carbon and oxygen has only one bond like this. Third time this has only one bond, right, like this. Total number of divided by total number of resonating. How many resonating structure? 1, 2, 3. So 3. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 3, that is 1.33. So what is the bond order of CO3 2 minus? 1.33. Clear? Now benzene, find it out bond order. Consider two atoms. I am considering this carbon. In first resonating structure, how many bond between these two carbon? Write down 2. Now again same position. This time how many bond? Only one bond. So 2 plus 1. Total number of resonating structure 2. So 3 by 2, that is equal to 1.5. Clear? This is the method to find out the bond order of the resonating structure. For example, if I draw the resonating structure of O3 like this, ozone, first structure. Second, you can say, sir, here comes the coordinate bond. Here, overall, you will say, sir, O, O, O. This is not resonating, this is resonance hybrid combination of this final structure. Clear? Now they are asking what is the bond order of ozone. Now what I told you, that consider two atom like this, same here we also same, we have to take this position also. In first case double, and here is coordinate bond, means treated as a single bond. How many resonating structure? 2. So you will write 3 by 2, that is equal to 1.5. Clear? You can easily find out. Now if anyone asks you, is very simple, how to draw the resonating structure of NO3 minus or any PO4 3 minus, you can easily find it out. The logic बिल्कुल ये रहेगा, आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम वाली बात नहीं है. Now if anyone asks you how to find the resonance energy, तो याद रखना resonance energy is equal to, that is experimental value of heat of formation. क्या बोला मैंने? एक्सपेरिमेंटल वैल्यू ऑफ हीट ऑफ फॉर्मेशन माइनस कैलकुलेटेड वैल्यू ऑफ हीट ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मोस्ट स्टेबल कैनोनिकल स्ट्रक्चर. फिर से बोलो, रेजोनेंस एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? एक्सपेरिमेंटल वैल्यू ऑफ हीट ऑफ फॉर्मेशन माइनस calculated value of heat of formation of most stable canonical form. Clear? Now, if anyone asks you what is, draw the resonating structure of NO3 minus, you can easily say, sir, ये here oxygen, here oxygen. Clear? Here is like this, single and like. Clear? इस तरह से, this is the first resonating structure. Second resonating structure, you can move double bond here, and again you can move double bond here. So total number of resonating structure, we can say there are total number of resonating structure is 3. Clear? इस तरह से बना लोगे ना. Now second one is nitrogen. Here comes oxygen minus, here double bond, here oxygen. Clear? So similarly third you can also draw like nitrogen, here oxygen, here comes double bond, here oxygen minus. There are 3 resonating structure. Double bond देखो यहाँ पे भी आ गया, double bond इस oxygen पे भी आ गया, and double bond this all oxygen. So what is the bond order in this case? You will say first case 2, second case single bond, look at, and third case 1 bond, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Total number of resonating structure 3. So 2 plus 4 by 3, that is 1.33. Now you can easily find out the resonating structure, and you can easily draw the resonating structure as well as to find out the bond order. Now what is formal charge? देखो ध्यान से बच्चा. Formal charge. Formal charge is equal to valence electron of the valence electron of the central atom. Pardon. थोड़ा सा wait करो. Now minus total number of lone pair of electrons. Okay. So sorry for the interruption, through network problem. So formal charge, this is the formula. Now I am taking the examples. Wait for a moment, you will easily get it. कैसे formal charge ढूंढते हैं? Suppose ozone. Find out the formal charge of each oxygen atom in ozone. Clear? देखो इस तरह से draw कर लो. Now make it here is 1, make it here is second oxygen, this is third. Now formal charge on first oxygen. Clear? Now how to find the formal charge on first oxygen? Listen, Fc is equal to, what is the total number of valence electron in oxygen? We know 6, minus after bonding how many lone pair? We know this oxygen contain 2 lone pair. 2 lone pair means total number of lone pair, 2 plus 2 4, minus half shared pair of electron. How many bond it forms? 2 bond. 1 bond contain 2 electrons, so 2 bond contain 4 electron. 2 to the 4, so 6 minus 6. In this case, the formal charge on first oxygen atom is 0. देखो अच्छे तरीके से समझ में आ गया. Now formal charge on second oxygen atom. Listen carefully. Fc is equal to, what is the valence electron of oxygen? 4. Now lone pair, look at it forms how many bond? 1 2 3 means 6 electron completed, and total we know octet 8 electron. So it has only one lone pair. Only lone pair means 2 electron, minus 1 by 2. How many bond? 1 2 3 means total electron 6, because one bond contains 2 electron. 2 3s are 6. So 6 minus 5 is equal to plus 1. So this oxygen has formal charge plus 1. Now let's move to the next one. Now formal charge on third oxygen. How to find the formal charge on third oxygen? Look at Fc is equal to, इस पे आ जाओ. It forms only one bond, means 2 electron lost. How many electron it also remaining? Means 6 electron. Means total number of lone pair 6. Total number of lone pair 3. Total number of lone pair of electron 6. Now this oxygen valence electron 6 minus lone pair 2 2 4 2 6. Total 6 lone pair of electron. Pair, one pair contains 2 electron. याद रखना. Minus 1 by 2. How many bond it forms? Only 2. So 2 only 1 means 2 electron 1. So formal charge equal to 6 minus 6 0 means minus 1. Look at in ozone, first oxygen has formal charge 0, second oxygen has formal charge plus 1, third oxygen has formal charge minus 1. By this way you can easily find out the formal charge on any atom इन अ मॉलिक्यूल। क्लियर, सबको समझ में आया? देखो फॉर्मूला आपके सामने लिखा हुआ है, यू कैन इजीली गो थ्रू इट एंड आई थिंक आप लोग इजीली कर सकते हो। वेट फॉर अ मोमेंट, ये फॉर्मूला है, लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, इफ वन लोन पेयर मीन्स 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 2 लोन पेयर मीन्स 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन, ये सबको पता होता है ना। सपोज any atom when combined, suppose A and B combine, it forms only one bond means 2 electrons, so it will have lone pair, total 3 lone pair here, 3 lone pair, ऐसा से पता होता है ना। around the atom there are total 4 pair, lone pair and bond pair means total कितने होते हैं, 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं, it may be lone pair, it may be bond pair। क्लियर, सो ये चीज फॉर्मल चार्ज आपको समझ में आ गया। रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर में हाउ टू फाइंड द बॉन्ड ऑर्डर ऑफ रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर। क्लियर, चलो जल्दी से इस वीडियो को देखो। आई एम एंडिंग द वीडियो, नेक्स्ट आई विल डिस्कस फ्यू मोर टॉपिक, टिल देन बाय बाय, थैंक यू सो मच।